Okay guys, remember my last video I show you how the registration process look like on this loan application that we are building. In today's video I'm going to show you some other components in the application, the functionalities of other components in the application. So to get started, I'm going to log in my details. It's just a demo details, but you don't need to use this login. And when the application is available, I'm going to publish it so you can download it, create your login and test it out for yourself. So for the purpose of review, I'm going to use the default login to login. I would like people to drop your comment, tell me what you think about the application. Okay. So it's authenticating. So you say, please wait. Right, so we have logged in. As you can see on my screen, this is the dashboard. So we have get a loan, pay loan, request, and more. And you can see here you have a low amount. In this place, it will go to show the amount this user have borrowed on the app. It will show here, and you can also see add payment. This add payment is where the user wants to repay the loan that he borrowed. For example, if you borrow, let's say 100,000, and the user required to be paying 10,000 every month, as the case may be. So each time the user made a payment, so you come here, and add it to his account so that the system will get notified and then do some calculation and let the user know what is left to be paid. So in the next section, you see the loan service that the company is offering or the loan service the app is offering. We have the one of 4 months loan access, 8 months access loan, and you got 12 month access loan. So it depends how you want it to be. So the next section, you have a recent transaction. Here will show the recent transaction the user have made, maybe the payment that he did recently will show here. Whatever transaction that the user have made on the app, it will show you here. So at the bottom, you see some promos slider or offer slider on the bottom. So this the company can decide what to put here. So we have the menu at the base side, like you have the transaction, you have loan, you have the home button, you have inbox, and you have settings. All right. So when I click on this more, it show me other menu items. You have loan application, loan repayment, file upload, send fund, bills payment, and my wallet. So in the loan application, when you click on it, user will see all the application of loan that the user have submitted. Then the loan repayment is where user need to do some payment of the loan the user have collected. Then in file upload, you can either upload proof of fund payment, the proof of payment, or upload your document to verify your account, as the case may be. Then the send fund, the user can send money to each other. For example, you have user A using this application, user B, user C, user D, and so forth. User A can decide to send funds to user C. Then bill payment, you can do some bill payment in the application. For instance, you can do school fees payment, you can do TV subscription, you can do electricity subscription, and so on. So in the wallet, when you click on it, take to the wallet for you to see details about your payment and your balance and all that. Okay, right. So let's take it one after the other. Now let's check the transaction. I click on the transaction. So show me this is the transaction screen. The recent transaction I made to show me here. Okay, so let's go to the loan. Click on the loan. See the loan. So here is where you if you want to apply for a loan, you take to this place and you can see on my screen. Just check it out. Then you will ask to select the loan type, 4 months duration. You're going to ask you to select the loan type, 4 months duration, 8 months duration, 12 months duration. So depends your choice. So just pick it. Then if you have to drop any notes for the company, just say I need the loan. I need the loan urgently, please. No. Then click on continue. Right. So now I tell you to enter the amount that you are requesting for. If you enter the amount right here, then you enter the OTP code that was sent to your email because it's a security feature to ensure that you are the one requesting this loan. And it has two options. OTP can be sent to your email, OTP can be sent to your phone number. So you decide which one you implement in your app or in this application. But this is just a demo purpose. I'm showing you how it works. So if you are going to use this application for your own personal business, you decide the one you are going to implement. Okay, either you choose email OTP verification or you choose phone number OTP verification. Mind you, phone number OTP verification come with extra charges. Each message sent to a phone number, you're going to pay for it. Not the user paying for it, it's the company paying for it. So you choose the one you are going to use. Let's say I'm requesting 20,000, you put it, then I put my OTP that I received on my email, I put it and I submit it. Then it will be submitted. Then the company will now review it, then approve, then the user get the money credited to the account. So that's how it works. Okay, if you have any question, please drop in the comments so let me know. All right, so if you click on this middle, take us to the home page, sorry, to the dashboard screen. So here is the inbox. So on the inbox, you're going to show you some notification messages that you receive. For example, when you change your password, when your loan was approved, you have any issue in your account, what have you. So any message you receive, it will be showing on this screen in this section. So we'll go to the check the setting. So the setting screen, the setting screen, as you can see, the loan application setting screen. So in the setting screen, we have loan packages, pending application, last payments, and the payment method that you used recently. You have activities, payment history, security and password, notification, email support, in-app support. They will have the sign up button. Okay, this is the settings page. So if we click on the loan package, it takes us to the loan package screen. So the loan package screen, you can see right here. In this section, it specifies more in details about how you can get the loan, the conditions attached to each package that they are offering, and you can add more package here. Okay, you can add more package, depends the company capacity. You can add more package. All right, I can decide to modify this package, and it's flexible. It's a dynamic application. You can modify it anytime. Okay, so you click check the 4 months payment term, click on it, you see what is there, and then percentage they are charging for the loan, you see right here. Okay, then check the 8 months payment term, you see what is written there, so check it. So if you are applying for a loan, you need to understand the policy, the terms and conditions, the interest rates, payable interest rate. That's the meaning of this PROI. You can see this PROI before the 8.5%. PROI means payable interest rate. So on the 12 months, see on the 12 months terms, this one, the payable interest rate is a little bit high, and like what is written here stated that the package has more flexibility and they have long duration to pay back and on that. And you can also modify the package anytime you choose. For example, if you request 100,000, let's say in a particular date you requested 100,000 and it was given to you, and when you get back to your business place, you discover that 100,000 is not enough. Maybe you need like more 50,000. So you can go back to the company, they'll modify it for you because you're on this plan, this 12 months plan. They can modify for you and add 50,000 to it. But if you're on the other plan, they might not be able to modify it. You have to wait until your loan have completed before you can take another one. So there are advantage and disadvantage for each of these uh, plans that you see here. So you choose which one you want. Okay, so that's for the loan package. So we can go through others later on. So I want to show you some few uh, some few components how it look like. So you check the notification. Here is notification. So right here you can decide to set which notification you want to be receiving from the company. You can decide to off anyone that you want to turn off. Okay, so you can just put it on. So this is the notification screen for the application. All right, so in the you can decide to contact them via email. So you're going to turn up the email. So you can contact this one to contact the company if you have any challenge, any issue. So the in-app support. This is the in-app support. In the in-app support, you can try to write them direct from this place. Put your name, your email, then select the subjects. Is the account issue, document issue, loan application, loan repayment, loan request, or what have you, anyone you wish. And you select it, then drop your message to them and submit. So that's it, guys. So I would like to drop your comment. Tell me what you think about the application. Does it look nice? Do you like it? Or is there anything you want me to add to it? Or is there anything you want me to remove from the application? Let me know by dropping your comments. And add payments. Yeah. So in this section where you add payments, you can see this wrong number here. This long number here could be your personal ID in the application. All right, and you can see your previous what I call it balance. For example, the loan you took, as you are paying, it will be deducting. So whatever is remaining, you should be able to see it here to know what is left for you to pay. So you click on add payments. It comes something like this. So you put the amount you want to add, then click on add. Mind you, if you put it this way, you might ask to upload a proof of payment. So you need to upload that proof of payment that you made this money to the company account. Okay, that's it. I'm going to sign out. Do you want to sign out? Yes. So I've signed out successfully. So I can see everything is working as expected. So this today's video is to show you a general overview of the component. In our subsequent video, I'll be showing you how each of the component function. So that will be our next video. So stay tuned and watch out for it. Stay safe and God bless you.